And the sweet fern is all over the sides of this trail. It smells amazing. More sweet fern. It's known to grow out of sandy environments, so that checks out. It smells so good. I've already seen a bobcat, a deer, and 2 bunnies, and I wasn't filming, so figured I'd pop on the video. I don't know that we'll see anything, but maybe we will. There's a deer. You can hear it. Something right up there, you can hear it, but the thing with the deer is I have seen them run across the path right in front of me before, and it scared me so bad because getting trampled by a deer would definitely mess your day up. So like I want to walk further that way because I can hear it, but I also don't know if it's worth it. Like there is something just making a lot of noise. Yeah, I think we'll just turn back now. So weird. I haven't heard the forest make that much noise since I was around like 30 deer. There was one time I was hiking in, oddly enough, Saugus, Massachusetts. It was early in the morning. That's Mullion, by the way. It's fuzzy. So I was hiking in Saugus, Massachusetts, or along Route 1. Wouldn't really recommend it unless you're with a friend, but all that to say, there's a really cool spot up there known as Skull Cliff. I don't think I have any videos on here. On my Instagram page, there's some pictures of Skull Cliff, but I was up there one morning at like 5 a.m. and I was just tromping around the woods, and the next thing I know, I look up and all around me is like, I swear, like 30 deer. And they were aware of me, and I was aware of them, and they were completely still, and then they took off running, and I felt the earth like rumble, and it was one of the coolest experiences I've had, but also terrifying. And I haven't heard the forest sound like that until we were just back there, so I don't know if the video picked it up at all, but I got scared because there was another time I was walking out in the woods in this area and southern New Hampshire, and a deer ran across the path, like probably as close to me as that tree right there, right? And it was two, and they just bolted across the path, and if they had run into me, I'd have been messed up. Ooh, something might be enjoying a little mushroom treat. What do you know? So that ended abruptly. Turned around, but nice. I'll probably want to cut this video soon because I've got my little tracking device that goes off every time I reach a mile, and it's just annoying when I'm making videos to have that go off. So shortly I'll change directions. Whoa, that's freaking cool. I never looked closely to see that there is some sort of growth in there. That one's got water in it too. I did not have any part in putting those bottles there, but this trail has a ton of bottles on trees like that. Although I do have a lot of bottles at home, I guess I could add bottles from Mountain Valley spring water, which I saw a video, 2 weeks ago that it didn't test well on water quality. So that's a bummer because I always liked it. And I've got a lot of bottles from, I don't know the name of the brand, which is so sad because we drink them all the time at my house, but it's like organic juice. It's like a clear white or a clear bottle with a cool fancy top. I'll make a video and show you guys and let you know the name of the brand. I've been drinking them since I was a kid. I don't know if they're like across the country or something local to this area. No idea. But they're just like organic juices. I don't drink them a lot, but in my home, we always have one in the fridge, so I save the bottles because they're just pretty. Well, I should be getting close to a mile soon, so I'll probably end the video in a minute here. If you've made it this far, thank you for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe for more moments in nature. My name is Terry, and I make content about outdoor adventures, nature, healing, art community, yoga, mental health, and my own wellness journey, along with some dancing videos and just being silly, because humor is good for you. Hope you have a beautiful day. Mwah.